Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to redeem new updated 100% off HighRise promo codes. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to come to google.com and here you have to search for HighRise promo codes. So once you've done that, you just have to scroll down until you see websites like this. So I'm just gonna click on one of these websites, and here you might get lucky and find 100% off HighRise code for absolutely free. So you can just click on it like this and you can copy it and use it on HighRise. So yeah guys, you just have to copy the code and go to the HighRise application or website, and you can just redeem your code there. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.